It's DDG's brother's side cameraman type thing, to where like he was his cameraman for a little bit, but now he kind of got his own thing going on. But yeah, Damo, his name's Damo. He got a brother named Chino who does his brother Chino actually does DDG's like whole setup, like his gaming setup and everything. Make sure it's working right. Yeah, but hell yeah, that shit was cool.
Very good. Good morning to us, gentlemen.
Good morning, good people.
My brother.
What's happening?
Another day at the office.
Yes, sir.
The sloffies.
The sloths.
Yo.
Man, Peso, I still have not been able to prompt
To
Leonardo.
get like the
Man,
sloth.
I can't
Okay,
get it, dog.
cause I kind of thought you was like playing when you was asking me, but nah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, I thought you was like, oh, you know what I'm saying? My fault, bro. But yeah, we'll get it. We'll figure it out today for sure. Yeah, we'll get it.
No, it's all good. Yeah, no, I was for real. I was playing with it.
You
Yeah.
gotta
I
play
was like,
around, is you?
yeah, I was trying to recreate what he did. But I was like, damn, it could be,
Leonardo.
but it could be anything, man. Yeah,
Right.
it's all
And
good.
I might still have the prompt, cause yeah, I would have did that yesterday too. I'll just look up the prompt what I had did.
Yeah,
I'll do that today for sure. Yeah.
for sure. And how y'all feeling today? Everybody feeling bullish or bearish? I already know how Pablo feel. You don't gotta answer Pablo.
My analysis is playing out like exactly what I was talking about yesterday. You know what I'm saying? That daily pullback into that gap, it happened. You know what I'm saying? We had a couple of little pushes out of there through overnight session, London and whatnot, but nothing too we just ain't got that model yet. But yeah, man,
Yeah.
I'm just observing it right now because I feel like at any given point in fucking time, you know what I'm saying, like in between 57.20 and shit could, you know what I'm saying, get interesting. But also looking at the VIX, it's not that, you know what I'm saying, interesting right now. But we definitely got some shit going on. Got a big bullish VIX candlestick right now on the 1 and 4 hour, but we are at some highs, so it's tricky right here. Like it's like the 4 hour VIX is at these little highs that it ran away from yesterday. So we get any kind of, I'm gonna need some confirmations for sure. You know that we pulling up out of here. But once we close this gap, I'll be more. You know what I'm saying? Once we actually close this mug, I'll be a lot more confident in the buy setup.
Right, for sure. Okay. Yeah, so for me, I feel um, earlier in the week we talked about that 4 hour tunnel that it was in, and then it just went up top and then went back down, and that's kind of where I feel like we're kind of going to be sitting in there. So I'm definitely feeling bullish today overall. Just going back up towards the top side.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I gotta do something with this fucking camera. I'll be right back, man.
Chef, turn the camera on. Chef got the camera on.
Oh,
Chef got the camera on. Chef got the camera on, y'all.
oh
We gotta
shit.
turn our cameras on, y'all.
I
Chef
ain't
got the camera on.
even
Y'all
know
sure.
it.
Let me go ahead and turn the camera on. It is only right.
This is right there.
I never seen Chef in person before, so that's why I can't.
Gangs
They all
out.
seen you before, so I
Gangs
never
out
seen.
here. Gangs all here, man. Gangs all here. All right, let me see. We got this. Oh, I ain't got my book map open. I was tossing and turning all night, man. Goddamn cat, man.
Oh my god. I almost tried to tell you to take that cat out. Just in the middle of the night, everybody's asleep. Just go put it in the woods. Like, I don't know
Right.
what to the cat.
The cat still got his claws, so at some point in time, you know, it's got that instinct gonna kick in.
Uh,
I think we go scared of
That's
cats and
fine.
dogs.
You gonna have two problems, bro, if you do that. First problem is that motherfucker gonna come right back. It's gonna come
Yeah, cause
right back.
it's done been fed already.
It's gonna know what the house at. And two, it ain't gonna like you. You think he got no peace now?
Right.
That motherfucker ain't gonna do that. It's gonna be clawing at you. Doing all kind
Shit
of
is
crazy
not,
noise.
it's not cool, man. It's
That's what
not.
our cat was just doing. That's what this cat was just doing too. Smoke was making noises with his mouth closed. I just walked
Yeah.
past that mother like, oops.
Yeah, get him out of there.
I'm not a cat person,
They
bro.
come get you. It's a wrap.
I'm not a
You
cat
know,
person.
they have the trying to find the best way to describe them. I don't want to say that 'cause that's rude.
Shouts out to all the cat lovers out there. Shouts out to all the cat lovers that
Yeah,
trade.
shout out to cat. Shout out to the cat lovers. That's
And
right.
shit, I'm
They
on
know,
cats and dogs.
We love you, people.
Fucked up.
What'd you say,
they
person?
know what's up. With.
I said, I'm more scared of cats than dogs. I mean, fuck.
Oh, damn.
They don't, bro. They don't back down, bro. Once they attack.
Oh, yeah, hell yeah. And the motherfuckers fast as hell, too, man.
Bro, yeah. Hey, the agility, them bitches is agile as shit. Like, bro.
Yeah.
Them
You ain't
bitches.
running, dog. You can run, but you can't hide, bro. They gonna find you.
No, swinging is over with. He ain't doing no bobbing and weaving.
Yeah, that little shit right there they be doing, that little, man. That's all right. Watch, I'll go back to my childhood days and get a BB gun on their ass. I'll see who quicker, this or this.
That's where you gonna stop them. It's gonna be you or them. That's
Mm-hmm.
what I'm telling you.
Tell me.
Nah, they thug life for real. They thug life for real.
Ah, facts,
They
yeah.
scavenge you.
Facts.
And I ain't with it.
Dogs can't do nothing with it.
They tough little cookies, I'll tell you that.
They're just not about to protect or defend your family when it come down to it. They just gonna,
Right, they gonna run probably.
yeah, they getting up out of here. All right, we
They
about
street smart, bro.
Right, they'll run like 25 feet away and look at you getting
Ain't no honor. Ain't no honor. It's not like a dog. They street smart.
Right, exactly.
So,
Like, he be alright.
They like, you supposed to run with me. Like, what you doing? Like, the dog be like, we gonna fight to the death.
right.
Exactly.
You got this.
Cat be stingy as hell. Selfish as hell. We are almost at the bottom end of this gap.
Yeah, we are.
Close it. Let me see what that Vic said again. Where are you? Oh, let me get this out of the way. Damn, son, that 4 hour Vic, that 1 hour Vix is crazy. It has now filled the gap though. Vix filled its gap from the opening. I took some pre-market moves this morning. I'm up 537. So I don't even know if I want to trade these combines. That setup look nice. I might
You
go.
a vibe. Hey, man.
Yeah, that when it for some odd reason I couldn't sleep, man. So like that when I woke up, like fully woke type shit, around like 4 something, that bitch was sitting in the zone. I'm like, oh wow, like it was just sitting there, and that bitch had tested up, gave that little structure shift. And it retraced, you know what I'm saying, from where we just fell from. So, caught some scalps out there, huh? Little scallops. Now some annoying ass dog to the fucking side of me over here barking that shit. Hear that song.
That shit is dropping. Like that S&P just be dropping.
Right. When that shit start tanking, it start tanking.
Nothing. Drop. What the hell?
Like Dre said, drop, 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 drop. I'm in here just didn't come anytime. Gap closed. Ride up and down these goddamn aisles. I don't never do shit at work. I don't never do shit at work. I'm in here just in company time. I'm in here just in company time. I might just take me an extra break. I might eat somebody lunch today. I'm really about to walk out. Hey, I'm famous. So if I take a pic with some girls, the ugly ones getting cropped out. They don't give a damn about this job. I'm tired of waking up for the right man. Say I'm give a damn about this job. I'm about to set my alarm off tonight. Stay in. They say I got the chicken pox in. Don't ride to the doctor's office. And I just got a call from Jeff Bezos. He said he got the new robots in. Ah. He said he just got the new robots in. Ride up and down these goddamn aisles. I don't ever do shit at work. I'm in here just in company time. We are at 5720. There's like a lot of orders, like 500 and some odd orders at 5720. Oh, you just tapped it. I don't ever do shit at work. I'm in here just in company time.
Learn this new skill.
Then we might try something. Ride up and down these goddamn aisles. I like that. Pull back, you fat.
I was all that kind of stuff. You just not I was trying to learn to sing like a hundred really. You got to. I do that sometimes on my own. Yeah, I mean. I got one I do with UPS. Hands on gear.
All right.
Yeah, I got a CDL too.
I'm in at 57.26.
I done did, but I
I
ain't
really should have. I really should have had 57. I should have had 57.24. But hey, Brown, you doing that? You doing that thing you was doing again? I got a little baby. I went super light on this, man. I just got 3 contracts on. I'm probably just target these doggone. Target that doggone Otter Gap. Appreciate you, Brown. Appreciate you, Brown. Oh my gosh. Man,
it's 75.
You got in. You say you in, right?
yeah, I'm in at 57.26.
Okay.
I had my stops literally at like, yeah, I should have had waited on that pullback. I got in like literally on the close of the 15-second candle, and then like the second one pulled back for a little better entry or whatever. But yeah, having the stops like up under like 57.20 or whatever might still be whatever. Cause yesterday I got in twice and got taken out at break even for it to do exactly what I was expecting. It's that pullback on the 30-second.
Yeah, we talked about a body over there. But we did put a body over this one right here. Yeah, it's pretty good. What you think? Whatever it matters, I'm able to show you right now. Yeah, I like anything over.
We still got some light orders down there at 57.20. They're light. Might not get filled.
I said it looks like it might want to produce a nice little pretty double bottom and then take back off.
Fat, yeah. That's what happened to me. Yeah, that's what happened to me the other day. Like when I was in or whatever, off the initial like response of closing the gap, and then it gave like a little double bottom on like the 1 minute or something like that for that other pullback. Cause that is, you know what I'm saying? I'm in these seconds, so I be thinking about it like, you know, the pullback could happen. Yeah, it might stop out at break even.
Yeah.
It
And
might.
if you get stopped out on the second, then you're looking at execution. I'm assuming on like a higher, like 15 minute or so, 5 minutes.
Yeah, or like the little probably like something in between there, like the 3 minute or something like that. Cause I try to like whenever I get in, I'll try to go up to like the next time frame to see where that little, you know what I'm saying, pullback could happen on that time frame. Being that I just got in on the seconds, so I'm knowing like, all right, at some point in time, the minute got to pull back, 2 minute got to pull back, and then probably after that, then yeah, we might be Audi 5,000. Then I can put my stop at break even without worrying too much about will it get tapped. The second time frames allow you to get in on the initial part of the move is just like the 1 and 2 minute, 3 minute pullbacks. Every time frame gotta have one. But essentially, this is a big break and retest for the YouTube people that will watch this later. I don't want to confuse you because some of my concepts are a little advanced. Ooh, baby! Oh, baby, go!
Again, 23.75.
Go. We'll do it live.
Okay.
All right, I took 2 off. I got 1 contract running, y'all. I got 1 contract running. I took 2 off. I got 1 running, and we just gonna let this do what it do. Cause this response out of this gap field, TP hit, bam.
Got a gap up here.
Golly, man. Mama, that's a bad man. Mama, that's a bad man. Look, am I sharing my screen over here? No, I'm not. Damn, I thought I was. My fault, y'all. Shit. Look, damn. My fault, y'all. Look, that's a bad Mama, that's a bad man. Mama, that's a bad man.
You got it, Pablo.
Right here, where I said 26. So when this 15-second candle closed, cause I was looking at every step down. We made a new low here, pull back, made a new low here, and officially closed the gap. And when I was like, yeah, at 57.20, we got a whole bunch of it was like 500 and some change orders right there. They got filled on that push. The VIX had hit that little gap on the 4 hour, made a nasty wick, made a nasty top wick. So when that candle closed right here, I got in right there at 26, right? And then that's when I was like, yeah, the two 15-second, well, it was three 15-second candles pulled back. And this was that other fib that I used. This was the other fib. So, yup, look at that. 50% got tapped perfectly. I should have been right here at like 24. Yup, I should have been right there at 24 with a super small stop up under the structure. And then look at what the fuck just delivered. Smack.
Nice
Yeah,
work.
I got in at 31.
Good shit, my boy.
Tried to put another contract on there, but that motherfucker just took off.
I should have started with 6.
But yeah, fuck it.
I went in stupid light because I had already caught some ham sandwiches this morning. So like I was like, man, let me just go stupid light. I don't want to risk too much of my profits. But that move right there is your daily little $200 a day on your $1 million run it up account.
Yeah.
Then you could fucking, you know what I'm saying, if you running something else and you could go a little, you know what I'm saying, size up a little more, bam, that's whatever. Like that right there will pay you for the rest of your fucking life.
Yeah. Yeah, that song was pretty smooth. I ain't gonna lie.
It was, brother. I ain't wanna talk my what they say when you start patting your own self on the back, maybe like y'all don't wanna boast or brag, but yeah, that shit was fire.
Oh yeah.
That was fire. Just a quick little.
Well, you said your original entry was 24.
Nah, it should have been 24. My original entry was 26. It was 57, 26, 25.
I got in right at the bottom of that wick at 23.75.
At 23.75? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, anybody that's in before me, let's go, baby. Hey, that's nuts. That's nuts.
You got it.
God damn.
What would it be to a reason? Like, can you explain why you took that trade?
The double bottom right here. It's real simple. I've been looking at. I haven't been paying attention to these double bottoms, and this double bottom is in a gap for me. And if I can get up to halfway through that candle for an entry, it'll come back and test it and keep going.
Oh my
What
God.
time frame are you scaling in on?
The 2 minute.
Yo, did anybody see what just fucking happened? Y'all see that 30-second cap? Bruh, did y'all see the S&P just now?
Yeah, I just had not know too. I wasn't sure myself about something.
Oh shit! Hey, now this is going back to that deviation shit, right? This is going back to that deviation. Yesterday, when I put the SMG fib on the daily, look at this response that we are getting out of this 7 right here. That's crazy. Ignore all of that previous side that shit. But this is a nice, without all of the schematics, this is a very nice break and retest. Like we getting confirmations now. Like that's why all of the little, this is like, this is like trading when you just using the resale concept. It's like learning music by ear. You know what I'm saying? But then when you can see the intricacies of like, okay, I'm getting in right here at the last fucking almost dead ass last. This is the end of the retest. And then we are, you know what I'm saying, once you get that, this is like reading music. Now, like, Jordan was in at the, like, down there at, like, yeah, it's no more. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right, guys, anybody left? You know what I'm saying? Anybody want to get in on this train? We right here. Like, you better get your ass home. Bam! You know what I'm saying? It was like, bitch, I was running in the sub. You know the movie, on the nigga on the movie that's running in the subway, and, like, right when he get on, the doors close. That was me type shit. Like, I'm like, oh shit, it's going down. Sad. They got that little shit, sing. I'm that motherfucker like, and then we just start moving. You know what I'm saying? Train gone. Jordan at the back of the train, like, Pablo. I'm like, I'm my nigga shit. Oh shit. If we start pushing and this daily candlestick gets to that too. Right. I am ready for the next train now. Oh my God, yo. Hey, look, this is a runner for your runner. Oh my gosh, man. And see, like, right up here would have been like my final TP, like up to these highs. Like, that would have probably been like my final TP or whatever. But, like, yeah, that shit right there is, man, man. Let me lock myself out so I don't do nothing else today and fuck off my shit. That's 2 for 2 on the day. I'm going to the goddamn practice madness. Be chugging these. Yesterday fucked up my goddamn little P&L. You say what, Brody?
It was again, man. Like I was looking at yesterday inside of that 4-hour tunnel that it's in. You know, it came back down to the bottom of that trend, and then boom,
it did.
Back out again. And it could just keep going all the way up back to the top, and then eventually break out. But I still think it wants to like just skyrocket.
Reach, right? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I think right now, last 2 weeks, sellers been in, but I think we're finna really, the buyers about to really eat. And if you in, good swing. Whoever swing trader right now got in at the bottom of that tunnel, and now they just
right? All of the sellers, all of the sellers. Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing. What time is it? 9:58. Everybody get up to 10. Man, that's insane. Man. Yeah, back up to that damn gap they got up there on the 4-hour. Yeah, it's gonna take on up. Yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful day for the buyers. Brother, tell me the fuck about it. Let me text JB today. Cause JB got caught some moves out of that crazy shit yesterday.
Caught buys in the middle of all that?
Yeah, he did. But see, he caught the buys. You remember when everybody was like, do you got any more left type shit? He was in just like how Jordan was at the initiation of the move type shit, and then rode it all the way to there, and then got out when everybody else was like, keep going, please. You know what I'm saying? Once that shit got to a level and it wasn't like bursting through with some energetic like volume type shit, it'll just be like, she's exhausted, not right here. I can either like go to break even and not give a fuck. I could take a little bit off, not give a fuck. I could trail my stop up to a point of wherever and then not give a fuck. And then now look at what the fuck is going the fuck on out of where we started. This.
Yeah, this shit is crazy.
What peso at?
Well, yeah, Peso, where you at on the soundboard today?
I'm right here. Hold on,
Cause
I'm right here.
this shit is fucking sick. Like, yo, this is fucking sick.
And she out of there. She might do. I think she going back up to that 4-hour gap. She's probably gonna close that gap or get to the middle of it, to fit the midway point of the gap, at least on the 4-hour, and then kind of go sideways. Then eventually continue to push up. I just think it's gonna be bullish probably next week, moving into next week. If you look at the higher time frames, it's setting up that way for like a nice bullish run over the next week or so.
Hey, we going up here somewhere.
Man, we trying to save the economy, brother.
I don't really give a fuck about the economy, but yeah.
Oh, nah, I'm bullshit. Nah, with that comment right there, that's just my little bias is gonna, you know what I'm saying?
I'm about to say this shit.
Yeah, hell nah.
It's sad to say, but yeah.
See why people say the ES price action is so clean. I see why they say that now. Because if you look at the higher time frames on ES, it likes to tunnel a lot. Like it goes in a direction, then it flips, and it flips. It does this a lot. Like it's not like this way for a little bit. It's like I'm gonna go down, and then now I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna go back down. It picks a side.
Exactly.
It's not like a
It's
flip flop.
That's
Yeah,
it.
like it's been down for a while. Now it's like it's about this
And then
is
it flips,
this channel
so
is
it's
like
like
coming
the
back
side.
up slowly. Yeah, it's slowly channeling back up, slowly. You know, crazy.
All right, we gonna let it ride. We gonna let it ride. But I've been implementing this little saying in my like trading psychology, right? No zone, no trade. It don't matter what your entry strategy is. It don't matter how you see in the market, whether you buying or selling. If you don't got a zone, or if the price is not in your zone to do your entry model, where you know what I'm saying, you're traveling down a dark road. You know what I'm saying? You're traveling down a dark road with no street lights on. And we've all drove down some roads on their back country streets with no street lights. I done fucking was driving one time on a straight road, no storm, no nothing. A fucking dead tree had fell over in the road, and I did not see that bitch until I got up on it. I was going like a light, probably like 55, in between 55, 60, nothing crazy. But I ran straight through the tree, total lost my car. Cause the fucking road had no lights on. So like, I don't have no guide. That's what trading is like. When you enter a position from a zone you're unsure of, or it's not like a high probability, higher time frame zone for a reaction, even if it don't keep going, but the reaction should be easy for you. It should not stress you the fuck out. You should not be going through, oh fuck, like you should not be going through that shit. At no point in your trading. You should have enough back testing for your confidence in the move, like in the entry model, because most of this shit is plug and play. This shit like plug and play. You see what happens for somebody that became super successful using this thing and other people alike. So it's like plug and play. At that point, you do your proper back testing, get enough vision, get enough eye time seeing it, then you implement it slowly in whatever you're doing. And then from there, it's plug and play, rinse and repeat.
I know what we should do. We should come up with, you know how the Bible have like 10 commandments? We should come up with like 5 Slough Street commandments.
Yes, bro. Yes. Yes.
Let's come up with 5 Slough Street commandments. Then put them out on the channel like, oh, did you break these 5 commandments. No matter what your trading strategy is,
Yes.
we all agree that, on these 5 things.
Mm-hmm. I like that, brother. I like that for real.
Join on my chart. I used to have like these 3 rules on my chart just so like I could visually see it, and like I'm just repeating that in my head every time I see it on my chart. And I can't unsee it because it's on my chart right in front of my face.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I had used like this little box thing. It was like patience and whatever I used as my strategy or whatever. That's what I had in that box on my screen.
It's fire.
And I like the versatility.
Pablo,
I had
good.
lost
My fault.
Go ahead.
No, say it again, bro. I didn't catch the last part of what you said.
I
Yeah,
was
me
just
neither.
saying I couldn't redo the rules or whatever because I had lost my own stuff or whatever, so it kind of went away. I don't know what the hell happened to it. But yeah, it's all cool. All right, you good?
All right, I'm out.
Yeah, I was about to say that is more so like because we all trade differently, right? With little, I'll say we all enter on different what do you want to call it? Like different entry criterias, but like the patience behind it is where like the commandments come in, like waiting on your setup, like taking your setup from a zone, like no zone, no trade type shit, like something like that, or like we could all apply those to our psychology because everybody should at least want to approach the market in a decent manner to where, you know what I'm saying, it's taking less stress off of you mentally as possible. You know what I'm saying? No matter what you want to see to get in, you gotta wait on that. And this bitch will play on you. Cause I can't lie. Some days, a couple days, like 2-3 days ago, I got in a little early because of the hype behind Meadows. Because at that time we was looking for the same thing, right? After he got out of his scalp, and once he hopped back on the train, he was like, "Oh, we bulling." You know what I'm saying? I was like, "Bah," you know what I'm saying? Like it was something in his confidence that I heard, and then like looking back, it was like probably like another little pullback retracement or whatever, and then she took off. But I should have had not entered that impulsively. You know what I'm saying? Like, but see. That's what happens when you enter too impulsively.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's kind of the thing with trading in a group though, especially this type of group because we all have different strategies, and so sometimes we all see the market from a different perspective. But because you're in that group and everybody's just like, yeah, man, you like fuck it, hit the button, man. You get in,
Yeah.
That creates that. It's it's an energy thing. You know what I'm saying? It's like a gravitational pull. You already have the emotional side of it, and I think that's what a lot of people who get in groups have to learn. Like, even though you're in a group with people who trade and they may buy, it may go against you. You know what I'm saying? Like,
That's right.
You have to stick to your vibe. What Shannon Sharp say? It don't matter if you trade ICT, MCT, trend. Don't break these 5.
Yes, sir. Hey, yes, sir.
Your strategy don't matter. Just obey the 5 and 10 commandments.
Shannon Sharp said that?
Hey, nah, he would have said it like
Use
that.
that analogy. Like,
okay.
He would have said like, cause he said a lot with the Lakers. Like, it don't matter. Serge Ibaka, Ibaka.
Hey, what'd he say? What he said? Jake Paul, Logan Paul. He said you
had sent me that short of that jump.
Yeah, that joke was funny as hell. That nigga said Jake Paul, Logan Paul, the Paul brothers. Like,
don't matter. Lakers in 5.
Lakers in 5.
But it's the same thing with trading though. Like, it doesn't matter if you orb, ICT, supply and demand, whatever. Don't break these 5. Like, you got
Yes, sir, bro.
Don't break them. Like, it don't matter what strategy you have.
ICT, MSG, ABC, 1, 2, 3. Don't break these 5.
1, 2, 3. Don't break these 5.
Shannon Sharp would have said it exactly like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put one of mine in the pot. Like, mine would be, trade what you see, not what you think. Trade what you see, not what you think. Because it's a lot of prophets out here, fake false prophets. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, it's gonna go up. You don't know that. You gotta trust what you see and go through your proper analysis and stick to your plan. You know what I mean?
I mean, you don't know it's gonna go, but you can anticipate it from just being on the charts. From like I
Y'all
don't know
see
how to
it though.
really. I ain't gonna say I don't know how to really explain it because it's kind of pretty straightforward. I mean, you got a big, no, it's an expansion move. You gonna think like from that expansion move, we're gonna go up again. Like that's just how it's simple. Like some people just make it.
Can I add?
But yeah,
I understand that. Keep it simple to it. Keep it simple.
I think both of what both of you guys said is exactly how it happens. Like you know or anticipate it's gonna go up. You just don't know how it's gonna do that. Candlestick by candlestick. You know what I'm saying? Like it could be a very impulsive move up. It could be the step ladder up with little, you know what I'm saying? Little minor fluctuations down and little liquidity grabs. But the analyzation of whatever it is you're looking at happens exactly what Percy said. Over time, you know what I'm saying, to somebody that's new, once you see somebody, a group like us, how we trade, and you will probably get it over time that, okay, these guys and girls have all put in a certain number of, time and hours with this thing. So what looks like it's easy is just 7 years of just you know what I'm saying, a journey. But then till you get to a point of like, all right, I anticipate a buy from this area because of these 3 or 4 confluences, then now it's, you know what I'm saying, now we getting somewhere. It ain't like breaking retest, oh, let me just buy it. You know what I'm saying, with no type of entry criteria or, that's when it's like, fuck.
Yeah, and that's what I was trying to say. Like, you know how like in the you have like culture, right? Like in the black community, you got culture. Sometimes on the charts, you gotta have soul. Sometimes you do have to feel it. Like as you're looking at it, you got your analysis, but then some things is just like, all right, boom. Based on my experiences, I'm gonna take this trigger right here. But you did do your analysis. You did look at the charts. You did see. You know what I'm saying? You know what you're seeing. You know what I mean?
Facts.
Some people don't. They say buy, I'm gonna buy. Like they say sell, I'm gonna sell. Like regardless.
You
Yeah.
always gotta ask for. I do it every time. Every time I like go to like I have an impulse buy or like impulse sell. It's like, why are you buying and why are you selling? If you cannot answer that question, then you should not be taking the trade.
That's in there. That's a commandment. That should be stamped right there. Like if you don't even know why you're buying or you're selling, you need to get out of there as quick as possible. At least get a mental win at like why I'm buying or selling. Like to give yourself some fucking cushion mentally. Like, all right, I at least have these reasons on why I'm doing this. I might not be all the way 100% right, but I do have some type of reasoning at least to why I was looking at what the fuck I was looking at. Damn, y'all. What a beautiful, that is, even the delivery out of this fair value got. Jeez Louise.
Yep.
Jeez Louise, man. That, like,
Go up. Unless it breaks out of that tunnel, I'll see y'all in the sales tomorrow. Unless it breaks out of that tunnel.
Yeah, fucking right. We also got some good news. So this could all be like push up from 8:30 news.
we had GDP today.
We got gave us some volume.
Oh, I saw y'all went ahead and went with Epidemic Sound. Why did y'all choose that one?
I actually was asking. I didn't know because I didn't remember the other one that started with an A. And for some strange reason, the Epidemic Sound was like the last thing I remember us talking about. So that's why I was just asking.
Okay, yeah. No, Epidemic sounds good, bro. They both good. Epidemic allows a little bit more like flexibility because I know Peso like to play with the music and stuff. And I know you like playing with the music, so they'll give you stems and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool.
Right.
And I haven't getting into like music producing, like playing with beats in years, like since I was in college, bro. Like,
Mm.
hurt.
Need some of those.
You know what made me,
Practice, man.
it made me realize I didn't want to go that route. When I was in school, I was studying production, audio media production.
Damn.
English.
UNCP.
And so I was like, I had to do an internship, and I was working at Channel 47, and I was doing the studio producing. And I went with this guy who does like gospel, like he does like a lot of producing for gospel artists and stuff like that. And he wanted me to like come work as his second hand. So he started working with me. When I realized the amount of hours, bro, that he was spending on like, let's say like one instrumentation, like just let's say a snare drum. Like, he would spend like 10 hours on just EQing a sound for the snare to
Oh yeah,
produce.
that's crazy.
Yes.
I knew right then, bro, like,
This
but
ain't
he
for me.
big though. He well
Only-
known. He
only
well
he
known.
knows.
Yeah.
At the top of his game, you know what I'm saying? He saw I had talent. He was like, "You got some talent. You gotta get an ear. Like, I want to work with you." I'm like, "All right, cool." So I went to the studio. You know, I met people like James Fortune, like all them guys, like them gospel artists.
What?
Yeah, I was like, nah, man.
You met James Fortune?
Yeah, James Fortune, Ty Sugar.
The church I'm playing for right now is having trouble learning 3 of his songs.
Yeah, man. Which one, Ty or James?
James.
It's a problem. I'm gonna tell you what it is with James, bro. You got this musician. I don't know if he's still, because I haven't been in Houston in a while. Because I used to. I know I did that.
Yeah.
My fault.
That's crazy work right there, bro. That's crazy work.
So I need an actual small, the little soundboard. You know, I be seeing them. I need one of them little small portable boys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm soon though. You know what I'm saying? Soon in time.
Mm-hmm. But now, so the thing with James though is like Terrence. So he's a musician, and I don't know if Terrence is still with him. He's his main keyboardist. That dude's mind, bro, with music, because he was at Fountain of Praise in Houston, and that's why I was doing some of my internship with Hangul at. The dude's mind for music, bro, is purposely designed to mess with other musicians, so they can't figure out how to
Yes.
do what he's doing.
Yes.
Like, does it on purpose. Bro.
Yes.
It's like, I'm telling you right now, that's what it is.
Did you get a chance to meet Titus?
Titus, yeah, I think was the bass player.
Nah, he's the organ player. The dude that was playing like all the ox and all of that, the other stuff.
Yeah. I didn't meet him, but I'm aware of who he is. I
Yeah.
just didn't have a chance to talk to him because most of my interaction was when I was with him. You know what I'm saying? You go, oh, we need to fix this, like, and I had a chance to dap him up a little bit, talk to him a little bit, but like
Yeah.
I didn't meet the other guy. But yeah, they had a whole at Fountain of Praise, bro. They whole musicians was like goated, the whole team.
They're the industry standard, pretty much.
Yeah, they are. Them and my boy Ronald Dorsey plays drums for. He used to play at what's that church? Parents pastor there. They whole team's goated. Like Fountain of Praise in this church, both of they musicians are goated. Both of them are goated. And they will go back and forth. Hope as well. I think it's called Hope House or something like that. I can't remember, but it's been some years since I've been down there, man, in the musician street. Once I left the community, I just kind of unplugged and just went in my own lane. You know? But yeah, bro, it's a beautiful thing. But I don't blame y'all for struggling with those numbers though.
Bruh, when I was in me and Jordan went to the same college, and I took who that, Meadows? What good, my boy?
What's up with you?
Man, caught them bars out of literally what we talked about yesterday. What we fucking analyzed yesterday is exactly what the fuck happened today.
Yeah. I like it. We love to see that.
Brother.
Beautiful trades for the buyers today. All day for the buyers though. You just sit in there and just chill. Whatever that line he got, that box got marked up right there, just chill right there.
Bro, just chill. This was my order. Yeah, this was.
Gap that filled it.
Yeah, it felt it nasty too. And look at the 4 hour. That 4 hour that was a 1 hour on the VIX. I ain't got the VIX sharing, but if anybody take a look at it, That is the nastiest rejection wig.
Right now.
And from something like that, that will inform me that we're about to go up for a little minute because this 1 hour and 4 hour have nothing but clean space down, and that wick out of that gap is just nasty. Like you had to time it just right almost. Oh yeah, he had that field trip. Check him out. Listen to the little young adolescents.
Right. I bet you won't turn the camera on.
Nah, we ain't gonna expose nobody's children on YouTube.
Oh yeah, facts. No. We might. Don't do it, man. Don't show nobody.
No, don't turn it off.
We ain't want to put nobody's babies on the YouTube.
You gotta block that.
Hey, where did he say they was? Hey, where you at though, bro?
The aquarium.
In North Carolina?
Yeah.
The aquarium. Where is that bitch at?
In Greensboro.
All the way on the coast. It's the biggest one out here.
You on the beach? You out there by the beach, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. I went out there last summer. Yeah, it is nice out there. You out there by like Wilmington.
Now up a little closer towards like Emerald Isle, that area.
Okay, Emerald Isle. Yeah, yes. Shoreline, pretty much. The shoreline.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the aquarium all the way at the end of the island.
Yeah, damn sure is. I'm gonna get me a bottle of water real quick. I'll be right back. Don't feel dry.
It took my kids to Dave and Buster's last night, man. Bro, that place is like a casino, bro.
It is.
I swear. It's a casino, bro.
I'm trying to
do. Ain't got no windows in there. You don't know what time it is. The kids going from
No, you don't.
You just hit that going crazy.
They're going crazy, bro. I look up, I'm like, damn, it's 10 o'clock. Y'all gotta go home and take a shower. Get the man, what we doing? I'm like, we got to go. Oh, bro. We got there yesterday at 6:45, 7 o'clock, thinking we were gonna be there for like an hour, bro. Man, we looked up and 10 something. I was like, nah, this is the system.
That water, here off that water.
Yeah, that's why I like living in Florida, my boy.
Hey, what's y'all capital gains tax, bro? 0?
Florida ain't got no state taxes.
We got no state taxes over here, bro.
Yeah, I was about to say, yeah, y'all don't got no capital gains tax.
That's why Tyreek Hill signed that lucrative contract.
Yeah.
Anyways, y'all, I might have to jump, man. My kids, man, they gonna destroy each other, so I don't know.
Man, I'm gonna pop out too. I just want to pop in and say what's up. See how y'all was doing.
Yeah, man. Hey, bless up to everybody that made money this morning. Shout out to y'all.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, bro.
I thought about entering a little 5 micro buy before I left the crib and just see what it do. But I did.
Depending on where you was at, it would have did something.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm out of here.
I be good, Orlando.
Y'all cool.
All right, stream. Say goodbye to Orlando, man. Let's clap it up, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, say goodbye to Orlando, man. Hey, we gonna have to have like a little, you know what I'm saying? Like Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, you know, like when somebody come through type jump. Yo, all right, yo, they about to head out, bro. Let's say bye to our dogs type shit.
You talking about the little applause shit.
Right, like they way out type thing. Like when Steve on Blue's Clues, he used to bring somebody through, and then they would like leave type shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like, bro, all right, like let's say bye to our dog coming through, stopping by.
Mm-hmm. I ain't even been in the fucking, my bad, YouTube. Had to reset yesterday, but I know I messed up. I got you, Brown, if you still watching. Trip, what's good, my boy? I'm gonna roll me a blunt. Cause I'm not trading no more today. That was just too fire. That execution right there was just fucking damn near perfect. I used to dream about catching shit like that.
For real though.
Swear.
Like if I could have just got right in at the bottom of this, like I could have then look.
We feeling good today, Trip. We made some money early in the session too. I'm talking about early in the session. That was like 9:40 something.
Yeah. Yeah.
Damn, I can't wait to be doing this shit over just in a different country with the windows open in the balcony. You can just hear the outside, just the wind and the fucking. Damn. Yeah, we feeling good. How you feeling, Trip, man? What you eating over there? Hey Slim, man, how you doing in your trading journey, brother? Denny told me you was actually trying to learn for real, but you don't ask too many questions, brother.
I mean, shit, because I know y'all being busy, and I'm just trying to really catch up on.
Facts. We gotta get some like one-on-one time so we can actually get you caught up to speed on what we doing. Cause I can't lie, this shit is dummy simple. You just gotta know what to look at, cause it's a lot. Well, you gotta know what to look for, cause it's a lot to look at type shit. And once you figure out like where to properly look type shit'll make a whole lot more sense. Cause I don't be sharing my screen all the time, but yeah, dog.
And we hey Slim, we also working on like we're gonna be working on like a little introduction, little pamphlet that we give to like people that come through, you know what I'm saying, to guide them kind of like where they need to go in due time. So yeah. You know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna, you know what I'm saying? We ain't forgetting nobody. We ain't leaving nobody behind right now. You know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna get you up to speed type thing.
Jerry O, are y'all looking for an entry right now? Jerry O, brother, nice to meet you, man. My first time seeing you on the stream. I appreciate you stopping by and adding a comment, asking questions. I actually caught Boz this morning, my good friend. Me and the gang were actually looking at this move right here. This is exactly what I caught this morning. Caught me a mahi. Ain't gonna lie to you. Wow, look at that inverse fair value you got right here. It just ran through that and just, damn, that's crazy. But I didn't even see all that for the scaling. That was a scaling here, a scaling here. But yeah, anyway, what I saw was my analysis was from like the higher time frame on this daily candlestick chart. We had a gap, so I was looking for buys out of the gap once we closed it. I want to say like pre-market at the probably like middle of London session or whatever. I had woke up and caught some buys out of here. It was just kind of not as clean, you know what I'm saying? So I caught my move already, man. I'm not really looking for anything. I'll probably play around on the practice account for some content, but I mean, yeah, it's buying right now. That was the buy. This box that I had marked out, that was probably the last train to Paris if you wanted to get on. Let me see. I would have caught this play. Yeah, had I not took a trade this morning, that definitely would have been my entry right here out of this zone. You got a little tap of this fair value gap right on the 50% on your head top. Like on your head top. And I probably would have targeted like the high, whereas I'm like literally right there. That would have been that's all I do if you come back and continue to watch. That's pretty much all I look for. That's what everybody on here in the Discord looks for too. So let me drop the Discord link in the chat. I think I'm a.
Y'all, I'm about to be working at the Valero, y'all.
You got that, boy?
Bruh, yeah, I got the. Bruh, yes, bruh. They got the position open, bruh. Talk about the quantum field, dog.
Bro, I already knew that.
Let's go. My fault.
Come on, bro, and crash out in a good way, did he?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did, Pablo. Yes, I did.
Yeah, congratulations, dog.
Oh yeah, bruh, y'all, bruh. And I was telling Slim, bruh, Slim is in Atlanta. I'm in Perry. I've been asking Slim for the last couple months, yo, like not really trying to, you know what I'm saying, ask him too much, but yo, Slim, I know you in Atlanta. You know anything that's work from home, anything, bruh. Been trying to give me as much resources as possible. So boom, nah, right, Slim right here, the witness, right? Like, let's go, bruh. Yeah, bro, we're gonna turn up, man. I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be a wicked summer. It ain't gonna be a wicked summer. It's gonna be a prosperous summer, man.
Ooh, I like that.
Yes, it is.
I like that.
You gotta change that word every time.
Right. Yeah, top step on the way now. Everybody about to be
On the way.
on the way.
Bro, this boy is a 7-minute walk to the job from my house.
Come on, bro.
He never promised that we'll get. What he say? He said he never promised that the cross would not get heavy. Or what he say? Or the hill would not get hard to climb. He never offered a victory without fighting, but he said help would always come in time.
Yeah, pretty much. What he say? He may not come when you want him type shit.
Yes,
Nah, congratulations, my boy. Cause you about to be in there and out of there. Quick.
Yes, nah, facts. They don't be knowing.
By the end of the year, they gonna be like, damn, we got such a fine young man. He came in and was on time every time, and he didn't waste company time. Yeah, I haven't seen him. I mean, he said something about he made 100 racks. What are racks? What are these racks that this young fellow was speaking of?
I was just thinking the other day, like, brushing my teeth, like, I cannot wait until these people at work are talking like that girl Jordan that used to work here. Like,
man,
right.
They're saying.
And then a year and a half from that, it's gonna be like, yeah, we just got a letter from some lawyers saying somebody wants to buy our business. I think it was the employee that was working here. The fuck?
It's crazy because that kitchen place I was just working for, they had a dude that had been working there like a year before then, but now he's making like, I think he's making like $40 an hour, they say he was.
Shit.
He would come back and like talk to the people that's working there. Like he does like, what is it? Insect pest control and stuff. But it was just crazy, right? I'm looking at this dude, like, y'all gotta think, like, I'm going in there. I guess my first time, I got the knowledge of like, I'm gonna do the same thing, but then you see a dude walk in, it's discouraging and almost like, you know what I'm saying? At the same time, I'm like, yo, this is exactly what I'm trying to do, Tyjon. Right? Just in a whole nother field, you know?
No, I know it. Oh, I know that. Damn, see, it be days like the days when you just get paid early, then you gotta wait for tomorrow. Like, fuck.
Right.
Yeah, but shit, I don't know how that y'all really later, man.
You out there, Percy?
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I ain't trying to be in too long no more now. Got my little scratch, be back, I'm good.
Yes, sir. Got what you say? Got my little scratch.
Oh yeah.
You caught them bars too?
Yeah, shit, I had swung some bars to this morning from gold, but shit, I fucked that off a little bit, just a little bit, fucking with top step stop loss shit.
I gotta see what you talking about, cause you said you can't. You said that.
Alright, so look.
Uh-huh.
But that joint done messed my accounts up so many times, bro. Like that shit is ridiculous. That's why I said I might just want to just say fuck these platforms. Go to my personal. Well, I might just try to take profit because this joint not working for me. Like I like to set limits.
Okay,
Like,
yeah.
like the market. I ain't saying nothing wrong with the market, but it's just that should put you higher than what you want to be at or whatever.
See, I've never experienced that with ES though. I never like anytime I clicked market execution, it was just there wherever the line was at. Like I didn't like, you know what I'm saying, like the little like I don't even, because there's no spread in futures, so like I never experienced like that little buffer thing.
Yeah, but our strategy, like I'm just used to setting limits. Like that's the
Mm-hmm.
strategy. Like if I can't set limits properly, like that shit just gonna fuck me up.
I got
I
you.
ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, I feel like I ain't gonna say like that's not my main reason I haven't blew so many accounts, but yeah, that's probably pretty much my reason for blowing accounts, kind of.
Because that shit won't let you actually set a stop loss in the limit.
Yeah, so like I can't even play my strategy. I want to play my strategy. Like it's John ain't
It's
working.
damn near like you gotta do it without the stop loss. It's like you gotta damn near like put the limit there without the stop type shit. But then you risking, you know what I'm saying? Shit.
Yeah, that's why I say I'm so used to setting my limit and then dragging my stop loss to under that wick and just go about my day, and then should do whatever the hell it's gonna do. But that ain't how this shit works.
Yeah, I was placing limits in the forex. I was using limits like hell in forex, and then whenever I
you done the same thing.
You say what?
If you ask me, this is the same thing you ask me. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Forex move just like a little slower and a little cleaner, but it's the same thing to me, honestly.
The only reason that it's different for me is because of like the charts are the same, but it's like the brokers, like the fact that there were like brokers that came out and said that they were manipulating price and shit. Like the dude who owned my forex funds, he had came out and said like, yeah, like whenever you would get in a buy, the people over there was getting in sales. You know what I'm saying? That like offsets your shit. You know what I'm saying? So like that's the only forex is legit. You know what I'm saying? Because there is a Wanda, you got forex.com, those brokers like that right there. But I'll say forex is more shady than futures. You know what I'm saying? Because this shit is like regulated by the government type shit. And then with forex, all of us could just open up a brokerage and just like kind of like damn near get over on the game. You know what I'm saying? Because there's the whole unregulated shit. So the charts be the same, but I think that's the only reason why I kind of feel like it move a little cleaner, because it's less manipulation. You know what I'm saying? From the actual broker fucking you off type shit. Because I never believed that they was like hunting your stop loss type shit. But to know that I was with a firm and every time I bought, they sold, and every time I sold, they bought, that shit. God.
Yeah.
That shit fuck me.
Nah, but I think, but yeah, like the brokers, like I can see what you're saying. Like I don't think I ever had that problem, like the brokers or whatever. But yeah, I think like it's probably like my biggest problem I have with like the brokers, Top Step. Like honestly, but yeah, when I had my regular account, I lost that shit because my phone got, I'm saying, broke or whatever. Yeah. That's the only thing messing me up right now, man. I feel like I lost all my stuff, dog. But yeah.
Don't look at it like that first, man.
Oh no, I ain't. I'm slowly getting back. You feel me? I'm just trying to keep playing.
And then it's I know it's tricky too, because you trade gold a certain kind of way. And when me, Denny, and Trayshawn went to I still got it, but I ain't really been fucking with it like that. But what was it, Top One Trader? They like you have to hold a position for like 5 minutes before you can take any of the position off. And then like I was trying to trade SPX over there, like I'm trading ES over here, and it's like that whole shit. That shit right there was fucking me out. So I know exactly how you feel. I'll be in a trade, see money, can't take it, and then I took it over here, but now I gotta worry about the bullshit pull back over here and reanalyzing a bigger position for my stop and shit like that. I definitely feel you on that, bro. That shit make you feel like you can't trade how you know you can trade and make money. Definitely.
But now, yeah, I got kind of sick or whatever a little bit. So, you know what I'm saying? I lost my phone. I got broke, so I lost my strategy. And I got sick, so she had to kind of remember how the hell I used to trade or whatever. But yeah, I feel like I found
That
it
sound
back
like
now.
JB. That sound like JB right there, though. That sound like you. That sound like JB right there. You heard what he said? He forgot how to trade. Like he got sick and he down there had to remember how to trade again type shit. Well, that's when JB caught COVID back in the day. He actually forgot how to trade type shit and had to like teach himself like how to trade again type shit, which is crazy.
I never even knew that.
Do that. I feel like I got it back now though, cause all this shit doing is going gap to gap. I mean, shit, you go to that daily or you go look for a gap. You know, see shit on there, you just drop it at 4 hours. That's all I be doing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
I got my strategy. You know, though, bro. I'm
What is
good.
this? What is this dragon room right here?
Yeah, I was going. Yeah. Hey, position in, man. What you got going on, brother?
Yo, what's happening? How we doing today?
We doing well, man. We seen that you done been in here like 3-4 times and left. Trying to figure out what you had going on. Everything good?
I thought that man was a bot. Like,
You good, bro?
I was just joining. I'm on my way to work. I was just joining, and then I got in the car and I just left, put my phone in charge. Now it's charged, so I joined back.
Just passing through, eh?
Yeah, I was actually.
That position in, you know what they say. You know what I'm saying? You pass through that first time. Next time, pass through, say something. Might get hit. might get shot walking through the backyard.
Jordan thought you was a bot.
Nah, never that. I was gonna ask if any of y'all. Yes, gold.
Yeah, he only trade gold.
Brazil like a time continuum. Like every time.
Yeah, he's gonna trade gold.
Yeah, he gonna ask you about the gold facts. Yeah. Hey, yo, position in. Don't turn it into no gold NPC running these Discord streets. That every time somebody talk to you, you just like, you know what I'm saying?
Hey,
Turn
bro.
into a gold NPC, bro.
Don't hate the player, hate the game, you feel me? It's the most traded instrument in the entire planet for a reason. You feel me? It's one of the most difficult, it has the most confusion, 100%.
It's crazy because
Wow,
that's
leave
the
that
same
one
thing you
alone,
told me
man.
last time. That's the same thing you told me last time.
Hell
I'm
yeah.
gonna stand on that, y'all feel me? That feel me?
Alright.
What did Shane Purp say? I heard that. Hey.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna leave gold alone forever.
He said forever.
I swear to God, bro, I'm never trading that shit. If they took all the assets off of the market and they only left gold, bro, I'm doing Amazon FBA from like the beginning stages, and I'm just gonna fuck that.
Shit ain't that hard, Pablo.
Fuck that person. Fuck that. Fuck that shit. If they took all the shit off, bro, I'm doing Amazon FBA on their ass. I swear to God, I am. Like, no. I'm gonna go to a signal group. If it get that bad, I'll join your signal group, person, and you give me your signals.
Don't do cool like that, dog.
Bro, that shit too sporadic, man. Like,
I actually just stated that. I just finished stating that. I was like, I'm happy that we're breaking all-time highs right now, but at the same time, I'm sad because that means volatility is exiting. You know, it's like whenever we're only going one direction, that's no volatility. I love me some volatility. I love me both directions. That's where people get confused. You feel me? But nah, yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Right now, it's breaking all-time highs again. Who knows when we'll get that next cool down period?
True that.
I ain't trading that bitch, man. I don't give a fuck what it do. That bitch could break all time highs and go make all time lows, bitch. I'm still not trading it. You can be like, Pablo, is this gonna bounce from here? I'm like, yeah, you're gonna bounce from there. I ain't.
Shit.
I hate that shit. This is why I hate gold, right? And I know this is in the past, but I am traumatized. I swear to God I am. So when I started trading Forex, right? When I started trading Forex, I was only looking at gold. And it was an ego thing for me. I'm like, damn, yeah, I'm trading gold. You know what I'm saying? So I started learning basic retail concepts, the whole breaking ring test, the trend line bounce, you know what I'm saying? And shit was working. You feel me? Then Brexit happened. Like, that happened, and it fuck gold. I'm talking about like it sent gold into like gold just started to look the candle wicks on gold were always bigger than the bodies for like 3, 4, 5 months, like with that Brexit bullshit. And that was right when I started to really find my way. So I'm like, damn, bro, like, yeah, fuck this, bro. Like, man, hell no, bro. Like, you can go back to it, 2018, 19, like gold was just just and I never went back.
That's all we used to trade. Like literally, like if I was in NPC right now talking in position, like bro, that's what I would tell you, bro. Like this is what we started doing. Like this is all we traded at first was gold.
That's
Like,
it.
I don't know how many practice accounts I lost trading gold. I
Man.
never made $1 trading gold. I
Never. I have no good story. You heard what he said? I never made $1 trading that bitch. I always lost it. Hell no. And now I'm making some money. I'm damn sure ain't going back. Hell no.
But that's why we say like trade Lambo did make a little bit of bread, you know what I'm saying, trading gold. And now, you know what I'm saying, he don't even trade that shit no more. You know what I'm saying? So
It's just Percy in position in.
position in, man, Percy in position in, man.
And see, that's why I be feeling bad. Sometimes,
in the pot.
not to cut you off, but sometimes I be feeling bad when we had to caught some sweet moves on ES, and then Percy be like, yeah, man, gold fuck me off. I be like, damn, like, God, why damn? I be mad at gold. I be mad at gold. I don't even be mad. I be mad at gold. Like, that shit did my dog wrong, and fuck.
Yeah. Hey, I seen that there's a new person that be trading it, the XAU Demon.
Yeah.
Yeah, he only trade gold too, but he trade gold on the Forex side. He trade the XAU USD joint.
No, yeah, me too.
Oh man.
Oh, you trade the CFD.
Yeah, I trade the CFD, but it does the exact same thing as the futures.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, little discrepancy by pips, mere pips. You just gotta have a breathable stop loss and you chill. But now, yeah, I mean, ask Berkey, like, just 2 days ago, or
Percy.
Oh,
He said what?
just yesterday, right? I was giving him that analysis that we about to expand higher. Where we at right now, back at the all-time highs, 300 pips higher, shit.
And that's wild too, cause gold is supposed to be inverse with the fucking indices. Like when the indices going up, gold should be going down, and now you got both of them going up. I ain't trading that shit. Hell no.
Yeah, that's true. But I'm excited. To look at other pairs too. Now that I really got my confidence with gold, I'm excited.
Come on to them futures, dog.
That's pretty cool. You can probably trade anything for real.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, you should be, damn it. All the fucking confusion.
That's real.
That's like how they say about New York, bitch. If you make it in New York, you can make it anywhere, bitch. If you trade gold and you profitable, you should not have no fear of nothing. Like, no asset, nigga. You should just be able to just look at that motherfucker and be like, I'm gonna wait for that zone, and when that zone get tapped, I'm gonna wait for my entry shit, and then it is what it is. And I'm pretty sure that's how it is with gold, right? But I don't know. something inside of
Gold
me.
just seems like it's all to the wall.
Yeah, bro, like gold to me just seem like the ops, bro. That's the energy that gold give me. Like, bitch, I'm your op. Like, I'm not your friend,
When we stopped
nigga.
trading
Like,
gold, the game slowed down for us type shit.
exactly, exactly. The game slowed down for us. We could see our mistakes clearly now. Like, gold would move so fast, you be like, damn, was I wrong? Like, I mean, it did what it did, but then it came down again. Like, nigga, wait, like, what was I supposed to fucking do? Like, I'm trying to be an intraday trader. I don't want to be a scalper, but this bitch making me be a scalper. Like, I don't want to be that way.
Hey, bro, I've had that breakthrough so many times, bro. I've been like, fuck, bro, I'm over here overthinking. Fuck, I'm like.
And gold in the background laughing like, yeah, you don't know where I'm going. Do you? You thought I was going up. You thought, nigga, you thought wrong. I'm going down, but only for a little bit, because I'm going to go back up on you. Like, I'm like, yeah, all right. Fuck this.
That shit did that to me this morning.
See?
I mean, originally I was looking for retracements at first, but then I said that first gap kind of fucked with my head just a little bit. I think I was too zoomed in, like too early. That was my problem. For real. But yeah, it's all cool. I see what I did wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna do it again.
Let me go look at gold. I'm gonna look at it. Let me go look at it, right? Look at all these fucking
Yeah,
candlesticks.
that don't up there.
Bro, that's so many candlesticks. Oh my gosh. Like, now that is a clean break and retest though. Like 3,046. That's a clean move. But
Yeah, I
fuck it.
entered there. I entered there on that retest.
Damn. And that's why I was looking at S&P right there when I'm gonna go ahead and tap into that thing. I wasn't even looking at it there. I was trading S&P with them.
And it's crazy because they look kind of the same, don't they? Like gold and S&P damn near like almost look like they both. I mean, you know what I'm saying? They both gold done broke the little high, but like ES is definitely trying to, you know what I'm saying, get back to those sketchy highs that it fell from at the from yesterday with some strength.
Yeah, we breaking over that 1 hour high we just made.
Where on S&P?
Yeah, so like once we get a retracement to there, that's when I'll probably look for some more buys to that top.
Yeah, facts. Yeah, that'll be a nice little scaling zone because it's with confirmation that we done broke.
Mm-hmm. That's the only way I trade now.
Yeah.
I just try to keep shit a little simple. Just break and retest.
On some zone to zone type shit for real.
Yeah, gap, for real.
Yup, gap to gap, zone to zone.
Yeah.
As long as it's coming from somewhere with some probability of it doing that, you know what I'm saying? Like, had I really had the discipline to stay away from like taking trades out of iffy spots, I probably would have, you know what I'm saying, like decreased my fucking learning curve. I would have shortened my learning curve by a lot because that's what I used to do. I used to just come here, analyze, get a plan, and not trade the plan because the shit was doing what I'm getting happy about. Like, oh, what if it does it from here though? You know what I'm saying? Like, what if it? I had a hard time getting out of that. What if it do it from here type shit?
That's a big one for me too. I did that exactly this morning. Like that first gap, I was like, damn, man, we might buy like gold from this first gap. But I was like, damn, we also got another gap down here, but we also got a better demand zone down here. So like, shit, I don't know what the fuck it's gonna do for real. But yeah, it went to that demand zone with that little like down panel switch.
Yeah.
I probably just take all my buys from that. Like, I ain't taking no more buys from the gaps at all.
Yeah, that's one thing I learned about gold, that it's a wrecking train. It'll leave you any second it has the chance to. Any second.
That's your op, bro. That's your op. It don't want you to get in. Trying to tell y'all niggas, man. Motherfucker don't like y'all thinking like y'all. No, I'm just fucking around with you. No, I'm just fucking around with you. This move out this gap though, y'all. This right here could not have happened any more textbook. And this is why Thursdays be some of my best fucking days, man. This is what I'm talking about, Denny, right here. Like on a Thursday, for the bullshit that we seen yesterday.
Oh yeah.
This what I be talking about. Like, yeah, Thursday gonna make up for the bullshit. Watch.
Facts. Facts. And I was going, it's crazy. I was gonna say that yesterday when we was kind of looking a little sketchy yesterday. You know what I'm saying? That Thursday was coming in type shit.
Right.
But yeah.
And keep it a
Like
band
you
with
said,
y'all.
the shit down there, fucking plug and play, goddamn.
Plug it. Come on, man. And something else that I've been observing, right? On this new fib, well, the new levels that I got on the fib, the SMG, that 7, that 0.5 and that 0.3 is like really if you looking to take your move, right? And say the 7 fuck off, or it give you a nice little reaction, you go to break even, your break even get hit, right? You still got the 5. Cause the structure hasn't been broken, just like where you trying to get it at is invalidated. So if it come down to the 5, it's like even more, you know what I'm saying? Because it's just grabbing that bottom end liquidity. Like I was saying, I was looking at Bookmap at the same time. I'm like, damn, it's 500 orders at what I said, 5720. The minute it tapped 5720, all them orders went the fuck away. Goddamn, that shit shot off. Gave that little, there it go. You know what I'm saying? And then we have this. So like, I mean, shit. I mean, damn. You know what I'm saying? Even on the daily one, because this one right here is off the daily for real, but I'm just on the hour chart. You can see, look at the gap, like the opening gap from the start of the week, right there. And then when you put that SMG on the move that was responsible for this push up, it came right to the 7. It gave the damn near double bottom play out the 7. Like, and if we really go into this second deviation, Jesus fuck, 58.84. Plug and play.
What the amp sound like when you plug that move in?
Yup. I don't, man. Godly, and it's just doing it so nice. So now, how the dude trades that this is the last move, right? That made the high on the hour chart. So from there, I'm gonna get my SMG fib. Bam. So shit, what time is it? When this hour closed, or at any given point in time, price pull back. This is like the science of the break and fucking retest. That bitch pull back to here, and look at where the goddamn last little demand is at, on top of the 3. That bitch tap. It's just like you got 3 chances right in here. This is the move that's responsible for the break of structure. You know what I'm saying? You got 3 chances now to go ahead and yaka. Like, yee. That's what it does. Huh? Or either or and then got down That's a break and retest. You got the break, motherfucking retest. And then you got this, now you just got some precision on your retest. That's all that shit is. Out your zone. Because the same shit happened right here when me and Jordan got in. Same thing. It just happened really fast because it was on the seconds and minutes. But then the same thing happens on the hour. And then from there, you just wait on what you saw in the seconds to happen right here. And then you continue to fucking ride up. Like, or it could just be so bullish today that it doesn't fucking give you that. You just have no trade. Fuck it. You ain't lose no money. You ain't made no bad decision. You either had the option to make money or save money. And every dollar saved is a dollar earned.
Man, I love to hear facts. And what you said, you spitting, brother.
Appreciate you, bro.
That's what my mom would tell me. Every dollar you save,
Yep, it's a dollar earned. I'll save me some money before I blow my shit. Damn, look at the break and retest off the top of the little resistance. Break, retest. I want to go into the seconds. Real quick and see if that model is there. Right? Let's go into the 15 second. Let's go to the 5 second. Oh, my fault.
Hey, check this out, Pablo. Yeah, I think the dude I was watching that was kind of showing me how to trade with the institutional candles or like the last up candles or last down candles. How you call them? Yeah, he was like, you know how you got that break and retest? Like that last down candle.
Yep.
You know how we retest, right? Then like say like after that we'll like with the order flow, whatever, we're supposed to go take out that high or go to that next high. But like if we take out that last up candle on the high, like on like that 1 hour or any time frame, once you take out that high, we'll come back to that last down candle.
Yep.
That's why let's just get into 11 o'clock too for y'all.
And just keep doing it for you.
Shit, just keep doing the same thing.
Yeah, that's how I kind of help take profits or whatever. That's how I know what to aim for sometimes or whatever. But he also like tell you aim for like equal lows or equal highs too, like when you're in the trade, depending on which way you're going.
I do that same thing. Like I'll try to and see what was giving me more encouragement was once I got Bookmap and I was seeing that like where I was trying to get out at was a high level on Bookmap.
Yeah.
And then
But like double bottom or equal lows ain't always gonna be liquidity.
Nope.
Like sometimes them jumps actually hold up. Sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes they actually hold up.
And see, that's another good. It's like you just giving Bookmap all the praise right now, because say where a candlestick double bottom may be at right on the chart, I can go and see how many orders are there. You know what I'm saying? Versus like a level that is showing me red, like a lot of red, you know what I'm saying, on the heat map, and then I'll go and see how many orders are there. And then I'll go look at the candlestick chart. I'm like, oh wow, look, that's a real, you know what I'm saying, that's a real area where price can go grab the orders. Exactly what it did today is exactly what I'm talking about. It showed me a lot of liquidity at 57.20. That could have been a collective of buy stops, sell stops, stop loss orders, limit orders, any kind of order. That's, you know what I'm saying, liquidity for the market. So it just showed me that it was 519 orders right there. And once that motherfucker did that shit, that bitch hit that fucking gap. That bitch hit that little gap. Goddamn, I think, like I said, I was on the 30-second chart. Once that bitch hit that goddamn gap, that bitch closed. They took them orders off. I got fucking active.
Way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
I got
boy,
active.
No way.
That's all I needed to see. Like that bitch gave the entry model. Like that's that whole little buy low. That's low as shit. That's as low as you can get. Goddamn shit.
Oh yeah, look, that's that break and retest right there. That'd be a change of character, but yeah, that's that break and retest right there.
That's it.
That first one. Yeah, hell yeah.
Right here, yeah. That's what I was looking for. The last one that went and look at the fucking, look at the damn, what you call it? Look at the damn, what's it called? Watch this. Let me change it to the other. Watch that shit. Take that out the way. Look at the what's it called. Look, right on the 50, bruh. Of the fucking, this the last little one that went down. Like, right on the 50. Bye-bye. I'll see you later. Thanks for playing.
Yeah.
Shitty.
Yeah, I'm gonna get right next week, but I got my strategy.
Oh shit, JB and the boy.
That's this one.
My boy.
Oh, what up?
Hey, sure. I'm loading up these Apex accounts.
You say what?
I'm loading up these Apex accounts.
The 20 piece nugget boys.
Yeah, it's a 90% right now.
Ooh.
90% off. They ain't go like $16.70 a pop.
Load them up, pa. You know we right behind them, man. But that shit did it again today. It did it again, Joe. We did it, Joe.
I'm trying to get this shit loaded up, and I'm trying to see if we're gonna get another
Push.
little pull, baby. At the lunch and shit.
Yes, sir.
She's out of here, though.
Shit too easy, bro.
She came early today, too.
Hey, look, this is what I was looking at, right?
Hold on, real quick. Let me Alright.
So I got down, went to the daily type shit. I got down, went to the daily, and then that motherfucking gap from Sunday, that gap opened. Like once Monday came in with a whole lot of bulls, it was just like, all right, we hit this little, like, you know what I'm saying, that little structure right here, and then we got that little boom from yesterday, and I'm like, damn, bro, this shit 9 times out of 10, you know what I'm saying, as long as that bitch just closing the gap and just like, you know, Asia just do whatever, you know what I'm saying, this shit is theoretically a break and fucking retest, you know what I'm saying, like, of that shit. And then, you know what I'm saying, with the little deviations, bro, when I put that bitch on the with the deviations, let me see where I did that bitch from. I think I did that bitch from here to here. Yeah, I changed that bitch around to I call that bitch the SMG. Bro, look, that bitch is resting in the fair value gap, in the right on the 7, bro. Right on the 7. So a nigga like me waking up early in the morning, I'm seeing like, all right, bet this bitch is just really just chilling exactly where I needed to be. In fucking like London type shit. This all London type shit. Asia went ahead and gave some little pushes type shit. Then she started doing the do right down to the, you know what I'm saying, when I used to get fucked up in the mornings, when she starts selling off, I'm like, damn, here you go. And she did the same thing, bro. Sold off, top of the key, went right to the bottom end of the motherfucking, you know what I'm saying, the bottom end of the gap that really closed that bitch. And then that's when goddamn I started doing that shit you started doing.
You was from out of there earlier, right? I know.
Yeah, I caught some buys. I caught the first buys this morning, right here.
Yeah.
I caught the first buys this morning because I had woke up. That bitch was testing. She did the little dooski. You know what I'm saying? Where I think I got that entry from right here. When she closed that gap, because I think I woke up somewhere in there, and then I seen she was resting right there, bro. I said bye, stops right up under here, and then yeet. I got out like right here. You know what I'm saying? Because I won't letting that other shit happen from the other day. You know what I'm saying? See money, take that motherfucker. And then when I got back from dropping Liam off, doing my little gym shit, bitch ain't went nowhere. Came back, you know what I'm saying, for the real boy McCoy. And then did it, like with the precision entry this time. Like with the precision one. Close the gap, take the fucking last little, you know what I'm saying, that last little one that went down and made the dooski. Bam, bam. Fill me up. We out of there. Then it gave another one. Bam, bam. That's the one I think I caught. What I said, Jordan, 26. Jordan, I was in at 26. Jordan was in at like 20-3. Like right there.
Yeah.
Sniper. Get out of there. Thanks for playing. Yeah, we on their head top now, my boy. We on their head top now.
Even on.
Yes, sir. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. And that bitch, from where we got in, that bitch was in the 20s. That motherfucker is in the 70s. Damn, I'm still streaming. All right, YouTube, look, check me out. I ain't doing nothing else, man. I'm about to kick it with the homies. I ain't even know I was still streaming. Damn, look, don't get induced by the Bulls. Don't get enticed by the Bears. Find you a tree and wait with the sloths, man.